你好，我叫马克，和我是意大利人。现在我是一个 LTL 的学生。For the past month, I've studied in Taipei in Taiwan for the LTL summer camp. It was really a cool experience, really fun. I had the best time of my life right here. I met a lot of cool people, really cool people, friendships that I'll probably keep out and keep outside of this camp. I hope to see these guys I met here again. But the lessons, great lessons. 我的中文进步很多, so I'm really happy about it. Great lessons, great people, great company, great mentors right here. All of them are really super kind, super sweet, super enriching. Everything was super fun, activities, great activities. But one thing, the food is still good. So if you come here and eat a lot, like me, you get ni fa pang le, ni fa pang le. But apart from that, everything was super great. I totally recommend it, 10 out of 10 on the stars. TripAdvisor, 10 out of 10.
Taipei, we've been here almost 2 weeks. It's been absolutely great, super easy to get around, so much to see both for me and for my 11-year-old daughter. We did things like Taipei 101, the 1914 Cultural Center. We are going this afternoon to the Grand Palace Hotel, so just so many different options, and LTL made it both educational and super fun. So we had a program that was designed specifically for us. My daughter has studied Mandarin for 9 years. I don't speak a word of it, so we worked with the team here to customize a program. She had one-on-one advanced lessons. I had one-on-one beginner lessons. And then she joined the camp activities in the afternoon, and I got to tag along when it seemed interesting to me. So it worked for her. She got to advance her skills. I got to learn the basics. We got to see so much in Taipei that we wouldn't otherwise have seen on our own, with some great customized tours and programs.
Firstly, my name is Marcus. I've been a student here at LTL for 3 weeks. I took the 3-week course. And I think the experience with LTL has been great. My speaking has improved tremendously, and my listening ability, because through constant practice, they only speak Chinese to you, so obviously you're gonna improve. And here in Taiwan, it's been great. Right now we're in Gugong Bobuguan. Very interesting place. A lot of artifacts here, dating back from way back, and last Saturday we went to Xi'an waterfall. Great place, very scenic, but it's very humid, but it's a very nice, breathtaking place, and we've been all over the city. If you go here with this course, you'll go all over the city, I'm telling you. So you're gonna appreciate the culture here because you're gonna be seeing a lot of it. So I'm gonna hand it over to my buddy Mateo.
Hey, I'm Mateo. I truly liked LTL because the staff members are super nice. We even sometimes hang out with them. The classes are super cool. We do grammar sometimes, and we learn a lot of vocab. But the most important thing that I experienced in this week I've done in the summer camp is the confidence you get when you have a conversation with somebody in Chinese, even a native speaker or not.
The experience was great. My homestay family was always kind to me and always gave me everything I wanted. The quality education here was exceptional, as well as the teachers. They always clarified everything for me and also gave great instructions and educated me greatly. I love the mountains especially, since where I live in DC, to drive to see a single mountain is 3 hours. Also the quality of the city is also great. I enjoy the green and the fresh air, which you cannot find in my hometown.